R&D. Let the universities be different. And lastly, Madam Speaker, let us do as much as possible to keep our diplomas, to keep our artisans away from in their specialized areas, not in the university. So let the Rift Valley Institute of Science and Technology be the best institute of technology in producing artisans and specialists in a certain level. But let those who go to these institutes be those who have already undertaken these degrees already in an undergraduate level and are now prepared to go to a specialized university. Madam Speaker, I beg to second.
Hebu Vita uende ukae huko. Maroja kwa wapi? Hapo.
This House adopts the report of the Committee on Legislation of the draft charter for the establishment of the Kenya Advanced Science and Technology, laid on the table of this House on Tuesday, and pursuant to the provisions of Section 24(1) of the University Act Cap 210 of the laws of Kenya. This House approved the award of the charter of the Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology.
Hapo toa hizo beti zitaharibu hiyo nini? Toa beti zitaharibu remote. Toa.
You can press the intervention button. Madam Speaker, I must first start by thanking this committee and the Honorable Chair for bringing this to the floor of the House in such a timely manner, Madam Speaker, because this afternoon, their report on the consideration of the draft charter for the Kenya
Nimekwambia uniwekee maji alafu mjinga utoka. Aje kena ngulu.
Wow. It has been built and it sits as an icon for advanced training in engineering, science and technology, Madam Speaker. But Madam Speaker, I must also start in Kenya. Kaisa as an idea is not a new idea. We are borrowing from a country called South Korea, Madam Speaker.
Na wale watu na nguo, si hadi ukae hapa kama hiyo chokora. Nani umeona makaa kama wewe?
And Madam Speaker,
nani umeona anakaa kama wewe? Unauma, kwa hivyo ukiumwa unakaanga hivyo.
Madam Speaker, Madam shall be seeking to train Kenyans and in advanced science and technology in fields that have been enumerated. Chemical engineering, nuclear engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, civil and environmental engineering, ICT engineering, chemical engineering, and biotechnology engineering.
Unanielewa?
African region,
hizi beti ziko na kutu. Kwani ulikuwa mpeana wapi?
Today, we are reading the news, Madam Speaker. We are watching what is happening in America. We are watching what is happening in the Western world, Madam Speaker. What is happening? That is the development that was leading us to the United World.